Hey guys, I'm doing a part 2 video. The last video got cut off a little short. So I wanted to show the engine and show how quiet it is on the inside. But let's go on the outside to the engine. Check it out. This is a 3.4 liter V6. It has the Ram Air, and this is the GT1 model, so it's their top of the line V6 engine. It's very smooth, quiet, and actually gets really good gas mileage too, for being a V6. And it's for sale right now for $2,700. So give me a call. I'd love for you to take it for a test drive and check it out. All right, guys. Thank you.